Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys. This is the area that I'm talking about across the street from my house. The neighbor's house is to the left, so I'm not going to point that direction. But here, this little wet weather creek, that's where the culvert is. But here's the game trail. See, this is where they come out of. All right, and and back there is all wooded. There's no houses back there. That is just a 4-acre parcel that the neighbor bought but does not use. He just wanted to leave it so he didn't have a direct neighbor. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that back there is where I think that they come from. All right, like I said, my neighbor's house from where I'm standing is to the left, and there are neighbors down that direction, but down that direction, all the way down there. So you have all this wooded area here, and I can't show you, but if I was to walk all the way back there, probably about 100 yards, I'd walk into Fort Chaffee, which of course you're not allowed to go into, but point being, this is their area, and this is what I call my sacred spot. This is the place that if I had an opportunity to sit at night without traffic coming by, or people giving me grief because it's not my property, right there in that little clearing out there, guys, is where I would sit, because it is incredibly beautiful. And that's a cat. Here, kitty. Kiki. Hi, cutie pie. Anyway, so I thought I'd take you out here and show you this area. And normally when it's raining, this is all running and you can hear it. When you guys hear what sounds like a creek on my live chats at night, that's because this is running like crazy, and I'm surprised it's completely dried. This was so overflowing, a week ago? It's crazy. I've got Gabe with me. Anyway, so now you see it. I can't show you anything else because I don't want anybody to get mad at me. But that's the area I'm talking about. And if you close your eyes and imagine it, I bet you 10 to 1, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. All right. Yeah, I hear something back there, but I think that's a vehicle. It's probably people in Chaffee. All right. See you later, guys.